talk. Is your brain a group chat that refuses to go quiet at bedtime? Same. So here's a countdown your tired self can actually do U2014, the 3, 2, 1 wind down. Start with 3. Put away 3 things. Not a deep clean. U2014, just the mug, the clothes on the chair, the general chaos. It tells your body we're closing up shop. Then 2. Prep 2 small things for tomorrow. Fill the water bottle, lay out your clothes, and write down the one thing that actually matters you 2014. Because a thought on paper is a thought you're allowed to stop holding at 2 a.m. And finally, one calming activity. 5 slow breaths with a long exhale, a few pages of a boring book, 1 gentle stretch. That's it. The goal isn't to feel amazing U2014, it's to feel finished. And finished is so much easier to reach. Rough night with nothing in the tank, shrink it to 111, 1 thing away, 1 note, 1 long exhale, still counts. Your brain doesn't check the receipts. Try it tonight and let the group chat argue without you. Enjoyed hanging out? Tap like, hit subscribe, and I'll save you a seat for the next one.